Look at mommy.
Look, I found one. One more.
Mm-hmm.
One more. Oh, wait, one more. That's 5 more. Digging the ground.
Digging in the dirt.
Oh, that's a big one.
There's right there. Digging in the dirt. Digging.
What are we planting?
Potatoes.
What are we going to make with them?
French fries, my favorite.
Wait, say that again.
French fries, my favorite. It's only that's my favorite, kids. Come up.
Oh, there goes the potato.
There. Hello, my name is Mr. Potato. Nice to meet you. I'll get in there.
No, don't get in there. We've already planted all of our potatoes.
I'm going right.
Yeah, go help Jackson.
I'm going right. Help me dig my hole, Cooper. Help me dig my hole. Help dig a hole. Done.
All right, now help Coopy dig a hole.
First, I'm gonna cover my potato up. Done.
All right, good potato.
Oh, now he's moving him up.
Now help Coopy.
Oh.
Cooper, look, Jackson's gonna dig a hole with you.
Oh, the right here.
Okay. You know where you don't want to put it.
My there.
All right, let's. Jackson, come over here and dig a hole for Coopy on this side, or help him.
Oh, I found a potato here.
All right, put him back.
I like potato. Where's another potato?
Coopy's got the last one that needs to be planted, so wherever he wants it.
So dig. Cooper, that's too hot. Let me help you dig the hole.
Show him how.
Like this, Cooper.
Dig the hole with him.
The potato and keep on digging.
A little deeper, a little deeper.
Ah, no! The potato. Here, you can. Potato. It needs potato. What? What's this, Daddy? Hoya. I know. Hoya.
I'm thinking maybe we should keep some of the potting soil in the bed.
I did it.
Yay, Coopy!
I found a leaf in here. Like a potato.
All
Look
right,
at the deepest hole.
that's probably deep enough.
No. Keep on. Uh-oh.
You found another potato in there. All right, we'll cover him back up.
There's so many potatoes.
All right, dig another hole for him.
There's so many potatoes. I keep finding potatoes. Don't do it. There's so many potatoes. I keep finding potatoes. No. I think I found another. Look. No. No. Another potato.
Here, watch this. How about one right here?
I'm putting there. Dig a hole. No, can I put
There we go.
mine in there?
All right, Coopy, just put one in there.
Oh yeah.
Jackson, put yours in there. Coopy, put yours in here.
You can put yours in here. No, Cooper can put his in
Well, already done. Cover it up.
mine too. Done.
All right, and say, grow us some French fries.
Grow some French fries, Mr. Potatoes.
All right, let's go figure out what other seeds we're gonna plant.
We need that.
Look at mommy.
Look, I found one. One more.
Mm-hmm.
One more. Oh, wait, one more. That's 5 more. Digging the ground.
Digging in the dirt.
Oh, that's a big one.
There's there. I'm digging in the dirt. Digging